Hey there, it's Katie. Today we're slicing into something soft, green, and a little magical. No-bake matcha cheesecake. It's creamy, airy, lightly earthy, and let's be honest, it kinda looks like a spa day in dessert form. But before that glorious forkful, let's rewind. Biscuits, pistachios, a quiet kitchen, it all starts here. The calm before the delicious storm. Cookies tumble into the bowl, ready for transformation. These are the backbone of the cake, the structure beneath all the fluff. A handful of pistachios join the crew, for crunch, for color, and a little nutty confidence. Into the blender go the cookies. We're turning crunch into dust, delicious buttery dust. Blend until your kitchen smells like a cookie factory. There it is, powdered cookie gold. Honestly tempted to eat it like this, but we shall proceed like adults. Next comes melted butter, warm, glossy, golden, poured over our cookie rubble like a buttery hug. Give it a good mix, nothing too aggressive. We're going for sandy beach after a summer rain texture here. Then we scoop it into the cake form. Spatula first, then a glass. This is cheesecake yoga. Flatten and breathe. Very satisfying to press. Off it goes to the fridge. Let it chill while we move on to fluffier things. Let's bloom some gelatin. A little sprinkle of science. Water, stir, done. It's the quiet hero of that perfect sliceable set. Now for the creamy stuff, cream cheese, all of it. Soft, rich, no holding back. Then sugar, just enough to balance the earthy depth of matcha we're adding later. We mix until smooth and creamy, like frost in a cloud. Then in goes unsweetened yogurt. A little tan, a little brightness. It lightens things up, makes this cake feel like brunch or self-care. Time to whip. Pour it in and whisk until fluffy and soft, like edible cumulus clouds, the kind that make you want to nap inside your mixing bowl. Fold the gelatin into the cream cheese mixture. Then fold in the whipped cream, gently. We are not scrambling eggs here. Think mousse, fluff, romance. Half of this fluffy goodness goes into our chilled cookie base. Smooth it out with love and a spatula, even and everywhere. Back to the fridge. Let that layer settle in while we prep the star, matcha. Now for the green queen, measured to the gram, because when you're working with matcha, you're basically working with green gold. Add warm milk and whisk into a dark jade paste. Smooth, silky, with a scent that feels like a morning in Kyoto. Did you know? Matcha is packed with L-theanine, which helps calm your brain and keeps your energy steady. Basically dessert that says namaste. We swirl that dreamy green paste into the rest of our cream cheese mixture. Off-white meets forest green in a slow, hypnotic swirl. Pour that second layer over the cake. Smoothing it into a seamless top. Alright, back into the fridge. 2 to 3 hours. And time's up. Out of the fridge and we're ready for the big reveal. Springform sides come off and bam, layered like a dream. Crumbly base, creamy white, pastel green zen. Grab those pistachios, time to get fancy. One by one, we pop them from the shells like some kind of crunchy ritual. Chop them into dusty crumbles. They are not just pretty. Pistachios are full of healthy fats and vitamin B6. Snack and shine. Let it rain pistachios. Sprinkle from the top like you're blessing the cake. It deserves it. Time to slice. Take it slow. Admire the clean cut. Pull that piece out like you're in a cooking show finale. Yes, perfection. Soft, creamy. A little earthy, a little sweet. Light as air with a gentle crunch. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If this matcha cheesecake brought you even a tiny spark of joy or hunger, hit that like button. Maybe subscribe for more sweet little moments like this.